Stop sounding like a robot. Master GET with 60 easy examples. Most English learners struggle with the word get because it has so many meanings. In this video, I'm breaking down 60 clear examples so you can finally sound like a native speaker. The verb get is one of the most versatile and frequently used words in the English language. Its meaning can change significantly depending on the context and the words it's paired with. Here's a breakdown of its common uses with clear examples. Example number 1, to obtain or receive. This is perhaps the most basic meaning of get. It signifies acquiring something either through purchase, gift, or effort. Here are some clear examples. I need to get some milk from the store. She got a new job last week. Did you get my email yesterday? He got a good grade on his exam. We got a lot of presents for our anniversary. Can you get me a glass of water? They got tickets to the concert. She got a letter from her aunt. He got a new car last week.
These are great examples to help people understand the meaning. Now, Dan, please carry on.
Example number 2, to arrive or reach a place. Get can also indicate movement and arrival. Here are some clear examples. What time will you get home? We need to get to the airport by 6 a.m. How do I get to the nearest train station? The train got in late at the station. I can't wait to get to the beach. They got to the party after everyone else. Well, let's get going before it gets dark. He got off the bus at the wrong stop. We finally got out of the traffic jam. She got back from her trip yesterday.
Amazing, mate. Now let me show some examples as well. Example number 3, to become or start to be. In this usage, get indicates a change of state or condition. Here are some clear examples. It's getting cold outside. I'm getting tired. He's getting angry. The weather is getting better. She's getting married next month. Don't get upset about it. The situation is getting complicated. He's getting old, so is safe. The food is getting cold. The water is getting hot.
Lovely examples. Now let's show something quite interesting. Example number 4, to understand. Get can be used informally to mean understand or grasp something. Here are some clear examples. I don't get this math problem. Do you get what I'm saying? She finally got the joke. He didn't get the hint. I get it now.
Okay, now it's my turn again to show something great. Example number 5, to cause something to happen, often with a past participle. This is a common structure where get acts as a causative verb, meaning to make something happen or to have something done. Here are some clear examples. I need to get my car fixed. She got her hair cut. He got his picture taken. We're getting the house painted. Can you get the door open? I'll get the package delivered. They got the project finished on time. She got her homework done. He got the computer repaired. I need to get my nails done.
Example number 6, to have or experience something. This usage often refers to experiences both positive and negative. Here are some clear examples. I got a cold last week. He got a shock when he saw the bill. She got a bruise on her leg. They got into trouble with the police. I got a feeling something is wrong. He got a stomachache after eating too much. She got a sunburn. We got a lot of rain this year. He got a scare during the storm. I got a new idea.
Shall we move to example number 7?
Surely, mate, here's example number 7, to be able to or succeed in doing something. Get to, followed by an infinitive, means to have the opportunity or succeed in doing something. Here are some clear examples. I finally got to meet my favourite author. When do we get to leave? She got to see the new movie. He got to play in the championship game. They got to travel the world. I didn't get to finish my dinner. We'll get to that later. She got to go on vacation. He finally got to relax. I hope I get to see you soon.
Now my turn again. So let's dive into example number 8. To buy or obtain something, it's super informal. Similar to obtaining, but often with a slightly more casual or personal acquisition. Here are some clear examples. Where did you get those shoes? I need to get some new clothes. He got a great deal on the car. She got her dress from a vintage shop. Can you get me a souvenir?
Now we are getting close to the end, and I'll present you the example number 9, to fetch or bring something. This usage implies going to get something and bringing it back. Here are some clear examples. Can you get me a book from the shelf? I'll get you a coffee. He went to get the mail. She got some snacks for the movie. Can you get my coat?
Fantastic, mate. And now the grand finale, the last use of get, which is quite important as well. Over to you, Dan.
Cheers, mate. So now, guys, I'll show the example number 10, to catch or contract an illness. I think I'm getting the flu. He got a fever. She got a terrible cough. They got food poisoning. I hope I don't get sick.
Now we'll show sort of a bonus about get. Dan will show you how to use get with phrasal verbs. Take it away, Dan.
So guys, this one will blow your minds. The bonus that we've got for you is phrasal verbs with get. Get is extremely common in phrasal verbs where its meaning changes entirely when combined with a preposition or adverb. Here are a few common ones. Get up, to rise from bed. I get up at 7 a.m. every day. Get on or get off, to board or leave a vehicle. We got on the bus at the corner. She got off the train at the next station. Get along with, to have a good relationship with someone. They get along well with their neighbours, Get over, to recover from an illness or a difficult experience. It took him a long time to get over the breakup. Get away, to escape or go on vacation. Let's get away for the weekend. Get through, to finish a difficult task or survive a hard time. I finally got through my exams. Get by, to manage with limited resources. We don't have much money, but we get by. Get back, to return to a place. I'll get back to you later. Get into, to become interested in something or to enter a place. Yeah, she got into photography. Be careful not to get into trouble. The sheer number of ways get can be used highlights its importance in everyday English. By understanding these different meanings and practicing with examples, you can significantly improve your fluency and comprehension.
If you liked learning English with us, please like this episode, subscribe, and share it with a friend. It really helps us and it helps more people practice English. So guys, that's all for today. I am Thiago.
And I am Daniel, and we are your English mentors. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.